Hi guys, welcome here to the next exercise of this channel. Yeah, so this particular video, you're not gonna be wasting much time. I'm going to be showing you how to create this Spark logo from scratch. Alright, so without wasting time, let's dive into the business. We're gonna zoom out and select a lot of the whole of these and duplicate it. Then we delete this. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring the word. Okay, so the word is pack. All right, so I don't need to put the R already. I just give it a space. Okay, I'm adding the R. All right, so this is it, and this is the font I use. This is the Kubos font. All right, so I'll increase it to the way I want it. Yeah, I'll bring my pen to and quickly draw this. All right, so I'll place it this way, and then I'll click it when I'm okay with the line and size. Yeah, I'll go down up just like this to form a kind of speed symbol. All right, so while drawing it, okay, so you can use shape to delete this. You select it, the node that is not okay, and then you click delete, and I'm gonna rotate it this way too. It's not yet fine, so I'll bring my line 2 from here. I'll place it this way, and I will duplicate it. All right, so this is it. So I'll use my shape tool to bring this node down to make sure I have something like this. I'll bring this one up. Are you seeing it? So this is it. So we are done with the line 2. We're gonna delete it. Okay. So without wasting time, we give it this one red color and remove the outline. Alright, then we take this close by closing the space bar. Alright, then I'll do Control K, that's to break text apart, or you go on your object under your object and you see break artistic text. This is the name of the font. Control K to break it apart. Alright, so yeah, let's get into the business of today. Now I'll bring my list tool and I'll draw it this way. I'll make sure that first of all it covers the text already. So I'll click it again. I'll click on my pick tool, click it again. There is a line around it that just changed to a rotation line. Then I'll pick it up. So this is it. All right. I'm looking on a way to get the first shape, which is the yellow one that is here. So all I have to do is reduce the ellipse object that I just drew. I'll reduce it inside, or let me say inward. All right, I'll reduce it inward when I'm okay with it. Okay, before then, let me reduce it again. It's too big. Okay, let's take it this way. I have to drag it up again. Take this down part. Yeah. Okay, so we're almost there. All right, so this is okay. This is okay by me, so I'll reduce it inward just like this. I'll right click. When I right click, I'll use my interaction, the smart fill tool, which interact each boxes or each segment that met together. Alright, it's already telling you that create objects from overlapping areas. So I want to create an object, I'll just click on it. Alright, so this is it. When I click on it, I'll delete this particular one. I'll take this one. I'll cut. Alright, so that's it. Then I'll click on this, and to form the down part, I have to decrease the object inward and right click. Alright, so when I right click, I'll use the shape tool again, the interactive fill tool again, and then I'll click on it. Automatically it has added lines. I'll zoom in here to see all these boxes that has not yet been an object, so I'll click on it to add colors. So that's just that. Alright, so this and this and all of these, I'm gonna take them. I'll do Ctrl X to cut it. When I cut it, I'll delete the line that was forming the object already, and I'll place it by doing Ctrl V again, and I'll right click to remove the outline boxes. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so we'll zoom in and then make sure this is above this object like this. Okay, so then I'll select the all of this down part here, and I'll do shift space down. I need this arrow to come up. Are you seeing it? So this edges has come up. The upper one is overlapping it, while the down one is outside of it. Alright, so this is it. Without wasting time here, we are almost there. We are 90% done. Alright, so all I have to do is just to change our colors. I'll make the first part red and the second part blue, and then blue. Alright, this one too is right blue. So yeah, this is it. This is how you create something like this from scratch. This is a simple logo for beginners. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like our video, comment, subscribe, and allow notification, because a lot of simple logos are gonna be coming your way. All right, thank you.